Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can copy and duplicate your workspaces on Smartsheet. So let us dive into this. So head over to Smartsheet and log into your account. Now, if you'd like to do this, guys, all you will need to do is head over to the Browse tab here on the left panel to get a better overview of all of your workspaces within your account here in Smartsheet. So you will see them listed here to the left. And you will see also these workspaces listed to the right. So if you'd like to copy or duplicate the given workspace, all you need to do is left click into that checkbox next to the given workspace. Let me go with this one here, first project. And after that, click into actions here at the top and select save as new. After that, you may give your copy of your workspace a name. So let us take that name here, copy of first project. You may also expand these options here if you like, sharing options, alert options, formatting options, and so on and so forth. So I guess you may customize all of these and decide whether you'd like to transfer, for example, also stuff like attachments or sheet hyperlinks from your first workspace to the copied one. That's totally up to you. I will leave it just like that and keep all the sheet data and formatting and transfer it also to my copy. So click into save here, and that is going to create the copy of your workspace. Give it a moment, of course, depending on the size of the workspace. And there you go. It didn't take actually too long, as you can see. The last update was just now. So let me just double check if this is really the copy of it. So left click into it, and there you go. As you can see, it features all my project sheets from that other workspace. And that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.